Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Elias, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be making college cupcakes. So what are college cupcakes? Well, they're cupcakes made with pre-made mix. It's easier that way. First thing to do is wash your hands. Always gotta keep clean when cooking. Next, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Now it's time for some mixing. Pour the pre-made mix into a large bowl. And follow that with a cup of water and half a cup of oil. Crack 3 eggs into the mixture. Maybe try not to get as many shells in there as I did. Now whisk that batter until it's smooth. I'm tempted to taste it honestly, but apparently raw eggs are a no-go. We're still waiting for the oven to preheat, so in the meantime I'm stacking cups. She thinks her pile is better than mine. Yeah, right. Maybe we should keep those cups in the pan. Almost forgot about the scoop. That's definitely my favorite instrument. The oven's almost ready, which means it's time to put all the batter into the cups. Ugh, they already look so good. The oven is finally preheated. I was gonna use our favorite bird timer, but for some reason it counts past 0 and just doesn't ring. I'm pretty sure it's cursed. Come on! Anyways. Place the cupcakes into the oven and set a timer for 12 minutes. That should do it. Congratulations! You've made it past the oven phase. I'm glad. The oven is always my least favorite part of cooking. You'll need to let the cupcakes sit for a bit to cool down before applying any frosting, otherwise it'll melt right off. Now it's time for the best part of the cupcake. I had the same opinion when I was 4 years old, and I have the same opinion now. Frosting is the best part. You know what's even better than regular frosting? Colored frosting. So gather up your food coloring, because we're about to make some pretty colorful cupcakes. Also, when you're stirring, don't use plastic spoons. Broken spoons, They tend to break. Looking good. Now, it's time for the big part. We're going to be decorating these cupcakes. Looks pretty fancy, huh? You'll need plastic decoration bags, a few metal tips of your choice, and all that awesome frosting that you just colored. Take the metal tip and push it down into the bag. When it's at the bottom, snip off the end of the plastic with scissors. Now, push some frosting in and make sure it's at the bottom of the bag. Make sure that the bag has been opened up pretty widely to avoid wasting any frosting. I think I did a pretty good job if I do say so myself. Now, the moment of truth. How pretty will your cupcakes look? It's time to find out. You want to be careful to not put too much pressure. These are actually pretty sensitive, and you'll end up with frosting everywhere if you push too hard. End your pipe with a swirl. I haven't done much decorating with cupcakes before, but she certainly seems to have it down. Look at those flower petals. My turn. Maybe you guys are in the same boat as me. I'm just a college student. This isn't really my forte. Okay, well, I guess that pink thing could be better, but these other parts aren't so bad, right? To avoid my mistakes, make sure to keep firm pressure even as the frosting comes out. I squeezed once and that's what I got. It's not that bad. To get more pressure, twist the bag so that frosting will be forced to come out. A swirl is pretty easy. Just keep steady pressure and rotate your hand in a circle, trailing off when you reach the edge of the cupcake. Hey, that's not bad. It's better than the first one anyway. Let's try these little flower petals again. Just keep in mind to keep pressure, then release and swirl the tip around. These crossing patterns use a serrated edge for the frosting tip. It's all about keeping a pattern. I forgot to face my tip the correct way, so instead I got some smooth lines. Whatever, I bet it still tastes the same. There's plenty of decorations that you can just make up. There's endless possibilities. We've got plenty more room to decorate here. Personally, I think my cupcakes compare pretty favorably here. I'm just saying, they don't look too bad. I hope you guys learned something today and enjoyed the video. My name is Elias, and I'm signing off.